Hello. Where's my... Hello, everybody. Hello. I just need to put on my skincare. Today, I don't know if alam na natin, ito pala yung angle of elevation. Angle of depression. I'm not sure if we can look for a sample. Or somebody sent me, hello everybody, welcome back. Somebody sent me the colegio, wait, let me look at it. Colegio updates mock exam. Do you want to answer that? Colegio updates. I looked at the rules naman, di naman nakalagay na bawal siya sagutan. Sinagutan niyo na ba yan? No? Hello, Nico. Welcome to the live. Colegio updates. Wait lang. I'm gonna put up a poll. Okay, if we want... I think colegio updates, though, is better for today. Let me just put it up. Okay. And then we put it up here. Hello, everybody. Today, I think we're gonna try the colegio updates, though. How will I do that though? I think I have to move my face down here. So, and then we move this here. And then let me just add a source. Wait lang guys. Window capture. There. Is that okay? We make it smaller. We can make it smaller. And then we move this one here. And then I'm gonna go to a new note. New note. And then I'm just gonna move this up here. Okay. New note. And then I can send this to you guys later. There. Crop. Hello everybody, welcome back to the live. If you're new here, make sure to follow. We start the live 5 minutes in, so wait lang. Wait lang tayo for around 2 more minutes. Let's move this here. I'm still fixing it, guys. Make sure to share the live for now. You're not late, guys. Ako yung late. But late ka. Pwede malate ang teacher, by the way. Pero bawal malate ang estudyante. Papunta pa lang kayo, pabalik na ako. Wait lang. Okay. We can, mag-extend tayo today. We can extend to maybe like 10. Okay? We can end it like 10. Also, like the new video. I made a new video. Yes, this is the Colegio Updates one. Somebody sent it to me. So, we're gonna answer it today. Should I put up a poll, guys? Tips sa magta-take ng exam. You have to study right now, guys. Pero, you have to get good sleep starting now. So, start fixing your sleep schedule. Lalo na if morning kayo. Okay, we're ready to start. Let's answer this one, guys. I'm gonna put up a poll. Putting up a poll. Poll. Custom poll. So we're starting the poll over here. And then, I'm gonna read the question. So you can check the poll, guys. Yung DOST meron din dyan. May reviewer dyan. Okay, where is it? Here. Sabi niya, find the solution to the quadratic equation x, let me write it down. Sorry. I need to grab this. Oh no, my live. Wait guys, I don't think we're allowed to show it. I'm gonna redo the live. It says we are restricted. Do I redo the live? I don't know if it... Bawal ata ipakita, hindi ko sure. I can redo the live. Okay, come back. Make sure to follow. Come back in 1 minute. I'm gonna redo the live, okay? Come back, guys. I think, I'm not sure if bawal mapakita or if somebody... Don't report it, guys. Kasi pag ni-report, hindi siya, you know, ma-restrict. Okay, mamaya na. Actually, parang di naman na-restrict. How will I know? May lumabas na ano. Tumataas naman yung views. Okay. We're gonna keep going. Pero if ma-restrict ulit, huwag nyo siya i-report. Yan kasi. Char. Mga haters. Char. Okay, so let's write this down, guys. The poll... Hi! Ba't ang bilis ng poll? Di ba 5 minutes yung poll? Okay. I redid the poll, guys. We're gonna answer this first number that says find the solution to the quadratic equation to... I'm gonna make my pen bigger. 15. 2x squared minus 4 is equal to 4x. So, ang gagawin lang natin dyan is hanapin lang natin yung quadratic equation. So, we have to use the quadratic formula, I think. Pero let's try just to move it over here first. So, that will give us 2x squared minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. And then, so, to answer this, since ganito yung types ng, yung types ng choices, we have to use the quadratic formula, which is, hindi ko ata memorize, quadratic formula is b plus minus square root of 4ac minus b squared over, kasama ba sa loob yung a squared? I do not know. Kasama ba siya sa... Oh, negative. Negative b plus minus... Tama ba yung 4ac muna? Over 2. A2. Okay. Nasa loob ba yung 2a or hindi? 4ac, b squared minus 4ac. B squared minus 4ac. Like this. Oh, all over. All over 2a. I hate this because hindi mo siya magagamit anywhere. Like, this is the one high school thing na hindi mo siya dadalhin into college. But okay, we can bring this over here. This is the quadratic formula. So, let's write that down. Good thing memorize nyo siya, guys. Quadratic formula. Should we relive? Okay, wag na. So, what do we do with that information? We're gonna put a, b, and c into the equation. So, alam natin na a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 4, and c is equal to negative 4. Tapos, ipapasok lang natin siya in the equation. So, that will give us negative 4 is just 4 plus minus. So, dito pa lang, x na agad, c, x na ba agad? Ay, hindi pa pala. Kasi may over 2a pa tayo. Square root of b squared is 16. So, you just put it right away. Yes, it is recorded. I record every live and then put it up on the YouTube over here. So, YouTube is over here. Kita nyo ba? Or my chat dyan. But YouTube is here and Instagram is here. I'll just leave it up here. Kaka-upload ko lang ng trigo, guys. Tignan nyo na. Nandun na yung trigo from yesterday. And then, what do we do next? Minus 4 times 2 times negative 4. So, that will give us all over 2 times 2. So, that will be 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 32. Tama ba? Ay, minus plus 32. 16 times 16 times 2. Ay, 4 times 4 times 2 is 32. Yes, positive siya kasi dalawa yung negative dito, guys. Negative 4 and negative 4. When you multiply negative 4 times negative 4, you get positive 4. Ay, positive 16. Times 2 is 32. All over, all over, all over 4. And then, dito pa lang, need na natin siya So, X na agad, I think, yung A and D, right? X na si A and D kasi kita na natin dito na madidivide pa to. May madidivide dito para maging 1 na lang yung labas. But, okay, we have to solve for it, I guess. We have to solve for it. It's either B or C, but right now, for me, the choices look like it could be B, right? Bakit po positive 4? Kasi, di ba, negative B siya. Negative B, pero negative 4 yung B natin. So, negative 4 is just equal to positive 4. Negative of negative 4 is positive 4. So, let's solve for this inner radical. I-solve natin siya dito sa gilid. That is, I plus siya. What's 16 plus 32, guys? 16 plus 32 is 48, right? 48. So, this is 8 and 4. Yung 4 ay and then this is 4 and 2. So, dalawang 4 ang pwedeng lumabas. Tama ba? Ay, hindi ba siya 8 and 4? 6 kasi. This is 3 and 2. Guys, I'm sabog right now. The brain is not braining. Okay. Slow down. So, what can we bring outside to the outside world? So, ano ang pwede natin ilabas ng radical? We can bring this 4 out dahil perfect square siya. Tapos, etong dalawa ay pwede din ilabas. So, that will be, actually, equal to 4, diba? Equal to 4 yan. So, yung dalawang 4 pwede ilabas. And that will give us equal to 4 square root of 3. So, pag nire-write na natin siya buo, that will be 4 plus minus 4 square root of 3 all over 4. And dito pa lang, kita na natin na lahat sila ay may factor ng 4. Hello to the 1.7k people. Hindi naman pala na-restrict. Pag na-restrict kasi, minsan, bumabawas yung, like, viewers. Yes. We will be canceling all the 4s. Bakit siya naging 4 square root of 3? Kasi, nilabas natin si 4. When you put it outside the radical, isa na lang ang pwedeng lumabas. Diba dalawa sila? So, yung gate, this is a gate. If you guys are always here, I say that the radical is a gate. So, may guard sa gate, and yung guard says 2 lang ang pwedeng lumabas based sa index ng radical. So, pag square root siya, 2 by pair sila lalabas. So, may pair siya na 4. So, nilabas niya yung dalawang 4, and magiging isa na lang siya. Okay? So, kaya siya naging isang 4 na lang. Tapos, yung matitira sa loob is just this 3. Kaya siya 4 square root of 3. Walang squared yung B? What are you looking at? Ah, wala ba? Second B yung may squared? Tama naman. Mali ba? Hindi po ba mag-factor na lang? Saan? We're here on this part na. I-delete lang natin. Or, what do you call that? We will simplify. So, simplifying this, mawawala na yung 4. Or, we will divide everything by 4. And that will give us 1 plus minus square root of 3 over 1. And the over 1, pwede na siyang tanggalin. So, the answer is just 1 plus minus square root of 3. So, the answer is letter B. Letter B is the answer. Okay? Number 1, letter B. I'm gonna send this answer key, guys, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll post it on Instagram. Bakit po na-cancel lahat ng 4? Kasi, I'll give you another example. Kung hindi nyo siya na-visualize dito, same lang yan sa 4x plus 4y all over 4. Diba yung 4 na yan, pwede kasi yan i-factor out. Same lang ito as 4 times 4x plus y. Tapos, pwede mo na i-cancel yung 4 kasi may 4 sa taas and may 4 sa baba. So, that's just equal to x plus y. So, ganun lang siya, guys. Yes, we just started. This is actually our first number. Somebody just sent me this, guys. You can go to Colegio Updates. I'm not sure if that's a Facebook page, but yes, somebody just sent it to me. Yes, KU Reviewer. Thank you, Nico. Colegio Updates. Somebody sent it to me. Oh, is it you, Lim? Did you send it to me? Why po hindi nilabas ang 2 from radicals? Nilabas natin siya. Ginawa siyang 4. Yeah, we just put it together. Pwede siya ilabas din. It's the same thing. Okay. We're answering it together, guys. Okay? So, I'm gonna move on. Are we ready to move on to the next question? Thank you for following the Insta. I'll post this PDF of the answer key on Instagram. Okay? So, we're moving on. Number 2. We're moving on to number 2. Number 2. Saan nakuha ang 6? Asan 6? Asan yung 6? Oh, 48. 48, we did prime factorization, which is, you just get the factors. 48 is 8 times 6. Okay. Yes. May answer key daw siya. Yeah, I'm posting it on Instagram. If you have the answer key, you can send it to me if you want. Just in case, if you want to share it to the world. Okay. Bakit po nawala yung isang 4? Nilabas natin siya, guys. Kapag nilalabas siya by pair, magiging isa na lang siya. You can watch my videos on radicals. Okay, I have a lot of videos like slowly explaining radicals if you want. Okay, I think, do we move on to the next question? Paano naging 1? Paano naging 1? 4 divided by 4 is 1, guys. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay, we're moving on. I am moving on. Next. Where is it? Number 2. Halang haba naman. We can do this. Number 2. 27,813 students took the entrance exam this year. If only 2,836 students were admitted into the university, among those students, what is the university's acceptance rate? Ooh, let me think about this. Okay, so how do we solve this easily? I'm gonna restart the poll pala. Restarting the poll. You guys can answer the poll. It's over there. It's color purple. So yes, answer the poll if you want. Okay. How do we get this? May live tomorrow. Yes, pwede naman tayo mag-live tomorrow. Pero baka 8 to 9 lang bukas. Okay, wait. I'm looking for the answer. So, 27,813. Yung normal way na people would solve this is, i-divide mo lang siya, diba? I-divide mo 28,36. Ganyan. Kaso, wala tayong calcu, guys. So, hindi natin siya masasolve agad-agad. So, need natin maghanap ng way to estimate what we would get. So, what I know is, what is 10% nito? How do we get 10% of any number? You just have to move the decimal place 1 to the left. So, ang 10% nito ay 27,813. Diba? 27,813 is 10%. Eh, mas malaki daw yun. Mas malaki si... 0.3 pala yan. Mas malaki si 2836. So, 2836 is bigger than that, right? What do we do next? So, greater siya than 10%. Kaya, X na agad si letter A. So, nakuha na nila agad. How did you guys get that so quickly? Like, without the calculator? B daw siya. I'm not sure yet. Next, what next? What is next? Tapos, how do we get 1% naman? What is 1%, guys? It will just be moving the decimal 2 places to the left. So, that will be point over here. So, ang decimal niya ay 278.13. Tapos, kita naman natin dito, 100 lang yung pagitan nila. Diba? 27 ito 28. So, mas malaki yung 1% kesa yung 1% na pagitan. Diba? 100 lang pagitan nila. And mas malaki yung 1%. 1% ito. Meaning, less than 1% yung pagitan nila. Gets nyo ba? I'm trying to explain it in words. Yes. So, in-estimate natin, mas malaki siya sa 10%. Tapos, yung pagitan nila is still onti lang or not big enough for 11%. So, hindi siya big enough for 11%. Kasi 11% would be adding up this 10% plus 1%. 10% plus 1% will be 2,900. 2,900 something to. Actually, 3,000 na siya. Magiging 9, 15, 1, 0, 3,000 ang 11%. And so, obviously, if greater than 10% siya and less than 11%, the answer is letter D. Okay? So, the answer is letter D. Yes, it's recorded, guys. So, we're just trying to look for a shorter way to solve it than to divide it. Kasi, hindi ko yan madi-divide. I don't know how you guys divided it without the calculator. But all you have to do is try to get the 10% and try to get a 1%. Tapos, isolve nyo lang in that way. Okay, paulit daw. Recorded ang live. Yes, thank you, Nico. Okay. Long division? I don't know how you're gonna do long. Okay, we're gonna start again, right? I'm gonna start again. So, we have the number 27813. 27813. This is a whole number. So, ito yung 100% niya. Para makuha ang 10% ng number na to, i-divide mo lang siya by 10. And pag i-divide natin yan by 10, ang malilipat lang yung decimal niya. From here, the decimal place goes over here. So, ang value ng 10% niyan ay 2781.3. 2781.3. Gets ba? Say gets of gets on that part. Hello to the 2.5k people. If you're new here, make sure to follow. Yes, common sense, guys. It's more on common sense. Okay, gets daw. Tapos, what will be 1%? Can you guys tell me what 1% is? Bakit 10%? Kasi malapit siya sa 28. Tignan niyo yung 28. 2836. Hinahanap yung number na malapit doon. Kita naman natin agad. Kita mo siya agad if masanay kayo, guys. Na 27 agad ang 10% nito. Kasi iuusog mo lang yung decimal place ng isa. So, hinahanap natin yung number na malapit dito. Kaya tayo naghanap ng 10%. Okay? Yes. So, yung 1% niyan ay 278.13. So, 200 na lang ang 1%. Gets ba? So, based dito sa nahanap natin, yung 27, ang 27 na ito ay mas maliit kesa dito. So, what does that mean? That means this number is greater than 10%. Diba? This number is greater than 10% kasi ito si 10%. Paano po pag malayo? Di ibang technique na gagamitin natin. Okay. Tapos, since greater than 10% to, ang choice na lang natin ay B or D. So, B or D na lang yung choice natin. So, ang hahanapin naman natin, what is 1%? Kasi, onti na lang pagkakalayo nitong dalawa. So, kung mas malaki siya sa 1%, yung pagitan nitong dalawa, then it will be 13. Pero, if mas maliit than 1%, then it will be 10.2%. So, since dalawa na lang yung option natin, we have to do the process of elimination, which is hanapin natin yung 1%. And dahil yung pagitan nila ay around 100 lang, di ba, 27 ito. Ito, 28. So, 100 lang pagitan nila. Tapos, alam natin na 1% is 278. Mas maliit yung pagitan nila. Meaning, it's less than 11%. So, greater siya than 10%, but less than 11%. Okay? Kaya siya letter D. Letter D. I should put the answer, actually. Letter B, letter D. So, equal to 10.2%. There. Okay. Let me just color that in. Next question. Next question. So, more on estimating siya, yes. Yes, it's more on estimating, guys. Yes, this is the KU mock exam. Somebody sent it to me. What is the mode? Okay, very basic, guys. I'm putting up the poll for this one. You guys should know what a mode is by now. It's one of the most basic things you should know in the UPCAT, I feel. Restarting the poll. The answer to this is mode is just number 3. Wait. Number 3. Mode equals pinakamarami. Okay? Pinakamarami. Mode is pinakamarami. So, what does that mean? Ano yung may pinakamarami dyan? 5, diba? Kita naman siya agad. So, pinakamarami is 5. Kasi, 5 ang, tatlo ang 5 dyan. Yun lang siya guys. Most frequent, yes. The one that, so the answer is letter C. Letter C. Next question, very basic. Mean, median, and mode. Mean, okay, let's do it. Let's try to get the mean, guys. Ay, wag na pala. Ang mean dyan ay equal to average. So, kukunin mo, i-add mo lahat ng numbers dyan, tas divide by kung ilan sila. And then, ano yung isa? Median is yung gitna. So, yung gitnang value dyan will be whatever is nasa gitna. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, yung gitna nila is 4. So, the median, yung gitnang value will be 4. Okay, yes. Recorded live, yes, 4 ang median. Okay, very basic. Ooh! 3/8 of a number 96. What is, the number is what? Let's do this one, guys. Number 4. If 3/8 of a number, so 3 over 8x is equal to 96, then what? The number is what? So, medyo simple fractions ito, pero hindi natin siya need i-compute to decimal as far as I know. So, what we're gonna do here is, transpose lang. So, 8, ilusog natin to the other side, magiging multiply siya. Tapos, yung 3 naman ay magiging divide. So, we just multiply it to the reciprocal. Gets ba natin? So, what do we get? So, what I'm gonna do, let's put it down here. X is equal to 96 times 8 over 3. We just multiply the reciprocal to the other side. Divisible ba itong dalawa, guys? Mag-divide muna tayo bago tayo mag-multiply, okay? So, I think that's divisible because 9 plus 6 is 15. So, we divide that. That will give us 20, 36, 32. Yes, 32. That will give us 32 times 8. Tapos, i-add yun, i-multiply nyo na lang siya, guys. 24 plus 16 is 256. 256. So, the answer is letter C. Letter C. The answer is letter C. Amazing! You guys get that? Oh, I didn't change the poll. Sorry, I didn't change the poll. Pero that was very easy. What was the answer? Letter C ba? Letter C din ba kanina? C naman pareho. So, technically, tama pa rin. Okay. Restarting the poll before I move to the next question. Just so I don't forget. Oh, this one. This one. Number 5. Burger King foot lettuce. Number 5. Adam and Tin, 18 km apart, jog towards each other at a rate of 4 kph, or 4 kilometers per hour, and 5 kilometers per hour. How many hours, in how many hours will they meet? So, this is the line, right? This is Adam here, and this is Tin. Ako, how would I solve this? I would just draw it out, okay? I'm gonna draw it out. Ay, madali lang pala siya, 18 lang. So, very obvious siya. So, eto, 18 yung haba niya. Mag-move down ng 5 si Adam. So, 5, 1 hour sila. 5 and 4. Tapos, 5 ulit dito, and 4 ulit dito. When you add that up, that's just equal to 18, right? So, that's just 2 hours. Tig 2 hours sila. 2 hours running at the same spot, running together, towards each other pala. So, that's equal to 2 hours. Another way to look at it would be towards each other, so 4 plus 5, right? 4 plus 5, x is equal to 18. So, that's 9x is equal to 18, and divide both sides by 9, x is equal to 2. So, dun ang galing yung 2. 2 hours is the answer. Grabe, madali lang. Gets nyo ba? So, they're running towards each other, guys. So, every hour, isang hour to, naka 1 hour. First hour to. First hour. Ito din, first hour. So, they're running towards each other kasi. Tapos, ito yung second hour. And then, tinatanong lang, kailan siya magiging equal to 18 buo? Yes. Okay. Yes, it will be uploaded on YouTube, guys. Thank you, Nico. Are we ready to move on? The answer is letter B. Okay, we're moving on to the next number. Restarting the poll. Number 6 na tayo. We're speedrunning this, guys. We should speedrun it. Next, score nyo daw sa mock test. Hala, isubmit ko ba, guys? Ayoko. Baka i-announce. Wag natin isubmit. Kayo na bahala. Number 6. The graph of the equation. Hala, conic sections. Do we really need conic sections? Let me think. My x siya and my y siya. So it's not a circle and it's not a parabola. It's either a hyperbola or... Oh, is it a circle? Circle daw. Do we want to look at the, Wait. We have that over here, guys. We have that over here. If you guys want to look at it. Sige na nga, aralin na nga natin onti lang. Onti lang, because I don't want to study this conic sections. Ellipse. So, ellipse is in the form, ganito yung ellipse. Yung circle, basta parabola, okay, this is what you need to remember. A parabola, isa lang siya. It's either x or y. Never siya magiging both. It's either, isa lang yung squared. Pwedeng y squared, pwedeng x squared. Basta isa lang yung squared. X squared or y squared. That is what a parabola is. What else do we have? Parabola. What else? Pag circle naman, alam ko the circle is in the form positive. Dapat si x squared, y squared. Positive si x squared, y squared. So, I'm not sure if it will work dito, actually. Circle daw yan. Okay, let's see. I don't know what an ellipse is right now. Hyperbola naman is in the form... Ito ba yung form ng hyperbola? How do you know? Circle daw siya. Okay, fine. I think let's just go with circle since I can't really teach it. We're going with circle with that. But aralin nyo siya sa reviewer na to, guys. The PTS reviewer, if you want. Yes, the file is shared with the solutions. Check my Instagram. What is the difference? May may note yan. Memorize ko siya dati, pero I hate ellipse. Dapat ba naka-fraction pag ellipse? Is that the difference? A squared. B squared. In hyperbola, isa lang naka-square. Isang negative, isang positive. Pareho silang negative dito. Paano pag... same sign. Okay, tama. Pag same sign, same coefficient daw. Thank you so much, Crizil, for pinning you, just so the rest of the people know. Same sign, same coefficient, circle daw siya. Pag hyperbola, different sign daw sila. Okay. Okay, that's same sign, same. Let's write it down. Circle. Same sign. Coefficient. Okay, next question. I don't like conic sections. Okay, this one's better. Moving backwards. There. 63 people. 63 people redoing the poll. My IG is over here, guys. Instagram. Kita ba dito? Yung color black na yung nasa ilalim ng YouTube. Yes. You can also go to my bio and check my Instagram over there. Where is it? Where are we? 63 people. Guys, you can vote in the poll. Where are we? 63 people were asked the number of movies they saw in the movie theaters over their last vacation. 22 people saw no movies, 14 people saw 1 movie, and 10 people saw 2 movies. 7 people saw 3 movies, 6 people saw 4 movies, and 4 people saw 5 or more movies. What is the percent of people that saw 1 or 2? Ang ibig sabihin ng 1 or 2, guys, is 1 or 2 movies. Let's write that down. 1 or 2. Remember, what we're doing here is probability. Probability is pinili kung ano yung pinili niya over the total. So, alam natin na 63 yung total. So, we put 63 down here. Tapos, 1 or 2 means both 1, yung values ng sa 1 and values sa 2. So, dalawa yung pinili niya. What is the values for one movie? 14 people. So, 14 people chose one movie. Guys, you can vote in the poll. And ilang tao? 10 people said 2 movies. So, that's 24 over 63, which is just, what's the lowest term of this? We can divide it by 3. That will give us 8 over 21. What's 8 over 21? I don't know if we can... Let me try to think. That's around 40%, right? 2/5. How do I know? Kasi since about naman yung nakalagay, we can just get the closest number. So, I say this is 8 over 20, which is equal to 2/5. And if you watch my videos, or you know that simple fractions, this is equal to 0.4, or 40%. So, malapit siya sa 40%, near. So, the closest one is 38. Gets ba? So, the closest is 38. Yes, pinili over total is the formula. So, the answer is letter B. The answer is letter B. What grade am I? I just graduated college, guys. Last month. Okay, next question. Hello to the 2.2k people. Welcome to the live. If you're new here, make sure to follow. I'm starting the poll. Okay, what's the next question? Let's see. Feel ko hindi pala pwede ilagay yung choices kasi, I mean for this answer key kasi feel ko na-jumble siya sa Google Sheets. Ay, sa Google Forms. But yes. The ratio of the angles of a certain quadrilateral is 1 to 4 and 5. 1 is to 2 is to 4 is to 5. What is the measure of the largest angle? So, that's so basic. What's the sum of the interior angles? The sum of a quadrilateral interior is 360. So, we're just gonna put that as 360 is equal to 1x plus 2x plus 4x plus 5x. So, that will be 360 is equal to 12x. I-add mo lang sila, guys. And then, just solve for x, divide both sides by 12, and that will give you x is equal to 30 degrees. Now, what is the measure of the largest angle? Syempre, yung largest dyan is... Ay! Why is nobody answering the poll, guys? Why is the poll at 0? Are you guys answering the poll? The poll is at 0. Or is the poll restricted? Hello, everybody. Am I lagging? Why is nobody chatting? 38%? We're done with that. Hello? Okay, we're gonna continue. I don't know if you guys can see me. Stopping the poll. Restarting the poll. I don't see the poll anymore. I don't know why. Nico, are you there? Wait guys. Wait guys. I need to put on eye drops. Guys, are we at number 8 or not? Because I feel like why is people still commenting about 38%? What's so kato? What is going on? Okay, do we re-live or... Are we done? Are we at number 8? Why is somebody replying to me? I'm gonna chat Nico. I don't see the people replying. I think, 360. Oh, yun na. The chats are coming back. Okay, sabi ni Nico madaming chats. I need to open it up on my TikTok. I need to see it, guys. Wait lang. Okay, we can monitor the live. Oh, okay. Guys, say yes if you hear me. Do you see me now? Okay, I see it. So sorry, everybody. I don't know what's going on with my but I think it's because there's a lot of tabs open. Maybe 2 tabs lang kaya niya. I'm using my phone to look at the chat now. So we're gonna continue. So 5x is equal to 150 degrees. Sorry for the delay. 5x is equal to 150 degrees, which is the biggest number. Biggest. So the answer is 150, which is letter D. Letter D. Next, sorry. Saan nanggaling si 5x? Dito lang tayo namili. So, namili lang tayo from 1, 2, 4, and 5. 1 is to 2, is to 4, is to 5. So, syempre yung biggest one, yung 5x, diba? Paano naging 30? Dinivide lang natin. Just solve for x over here. Yes, substitute for the value of x. Okay. Gets. Next number. Next number, guys. That one was very easy, actually. You just have to get used to questions like that. Okay, where's the next question? Next question. Oh, very basic as well. Let's see what this is. Restarting the poll, guys. Yes, 5 times 3 lang siya, guys. 5x times 30. So, simplify 6 raised to x plus 1 times 6... Wait lang. Is it 6 raised to x plus 1 times 6x minus 1? Is this how you wrote it down, guys? Or yung plus 1 nasa taas? Do we solve both? Kasi wala siyang parenthesis. So, I think ganito siya. 6 raised to x plus 1 and 6x. Nasa taas both? Okay, let's try both. I'm restarting the poll. Ayan. Let's try both. Ito yung isang version. And then, lagay natin dito yung isang version. 6x plus 1. Tapos, saan yung times 6? Times 6x minus 1? Ba't parang mali pareho? Anyway, taas both. Which one? Okay. Is it, you vote in the poll, A or B? Wait. It's A? Okay, say in the chat if it's A or B. Mali raw po. Oh, exponent both. What do you mean exponent? Oh, the whole thing is the exponent? Wait, the whole thing is the exponent? 6x plus 1 and like this? 6x minus 1? Yes? Base 6. Oh, okay. So, we're just gonna FOIL method that then. Okay. We're gonna FOIL method that. Bakit ganun? Ba't parang wala dito yung sagot? No? Wag na yan, guys. Wala, hindi natin alam yung itsura. Ba't kasi naka-exponent ng ganyan? Wag na yan. I'm skipping. In the UPCAT, we have to learn how to skip. Don't hold on to things that hindi naman klaro, guys. Char. Hindi na nga gumagana yung chat ko. Restarting. Restarting to the next question. Restarting the poll. Hala, ayaw na gumana ng poll, guys. Parang ewan. Okay, restarting the poll. Let me restart it. Ayaw na mag-poll. The live is not living. Ilang skip daw ang ideal. You should just skip at the start, pero lahat huhulaan nyo after. Ano, my TikTok's not working.
What do you mean?
It's not there. The chat's not coming out. I have to put out my phone now. And then the poll's not working. I'm so sad.
What do you mean it's coming out?
Thank you for following. It's like late. I don't know. Delayed on her side, yeah. I have to watch it here on my phone. Hello to the 2K people. Welcome to the live. Look, here it says 2.3K. Here it's just 2.1. Can you check your phone? Thank you. The poll is not working as well. I'm so sad. Number... What? Your what? You don't want to do it?
That's 100.
Why? No. Later, get out of here.
I'll check my phone now.
Get out.
What do I do? Do I come
Next
back here or do I chat
question.
you?
Just later. You can come back in 20 minutes.
No, like
James went to mall. James went to mall.
No, because you asked me like what I was.
Just come back later. You're just here to ask for money.
Why would you put that up?
James went to mall to buy items worth 66. Sorry guys, no more Paul. Relive na? We're at 2K people. I feel like they're gonna... No guys, because if I relive, I don't know what's gonna happen to the recording. Do I have to post 2 recordings? Matatapos na din naman tayo eh. What do you think? But if we do relive, I mean, it would fix the poll. Wag na, wag na. We're almost done, guys. We can end in like maybe number 12, okay? Okay, number 10. Kita ko naman kayo sa phone ko. 66 that were not subject to tax. However, he bought items worth 540 that were still subject to tax. How much did he pay all in all? Ooh, so yung 540 is subject to tax, meaning nagbayad siya ng extra 12%. So we have to get the 12% of this amount. But do we do that sakto or do we try to get the ano? So add muna natin tong dalawa. Yung total nila will be 606, 'di ba? So X na agad si C kasi subject to tax nga eh. So dapat it's either A, B or D. Ay, kailangan ata sakto i-solve. So we have to get 12% of this. 12%. So let's multiply that. That will be 0. Ayoko mag-multiply. Tinatamad ako. 8, 10, 5, 40. Tapos 2 decimal places. So it's over here. And that will be... Is it 1? Wait. Why did I feel like that was wrong? 540 pala. 6. 64.8. Yes. 64.8. And then, add na natin si 540. 540. That will give us... I actually add na natin sa 606. Tama ba? Add natin sa 606. So, that will give us 8, 10, 1, 7, 6. 670.8. Is that correct? 670.8? Is that what you got? Yes or no? We added it to 606, which is yung unang number over here. So, yung 66 plus 540 yung kinuha natin. So, yes. Good job, everybody. The answer is 670.08. Bakit parang ako yung nagre-review? Parang ako pa nagtatanong sa inyo. So, okay. So, what did we do, guys? So, basically, just to recap, eto, non-VAT si 66. Tapos, etong 540 may VAT. So, kailangan lang kunin ang 12% nitong 540. So, kinuha natin yung 12%, nag-multiply lang tayo, and lumabas na ito yung value. Ito yung value ng 12%. Itong 64. This is 12%. Tapos, i-add lang natin siya. Add lang natin siya sa 606, which is 540 plus 66. And that will give us, ito lang siya, 670.08. Bakit 606 in-add? Kasi ang hinahanap ay how much did he pay all in all. So, kailangan natin isama si 540. So, how much did he pay all in all? Ang tanong. Yes. Next question. 606 is ito. Ito si 606. 540 plus 66. Yes, yes. Add the 540 and 66. Yes, that's how you get 606. Okay. Bakit times 12? Kasi sabi dito, subject to tax, 12%. Yes, 540 times 12 yung tax. So, just read the question, guys, and that's where you can get the answer. The live will be saved sa YouTube ko. So, check over there, yung kulay red na box, yun yung YouTube ko. Number 11. Hala, Jom. Ganito ang gusto ko, guys. Hindi yung word problem. Char. Let's go to Jom, guys. What is the length of the diagonal AC if the area of the circle is 64 pi? 64 pi. Yay. We're going to Jom, guys. So, what technique will we use here? So, drawing muna natin siya. Let's draw it like this, and then draw it like this. Sorry, guys, no Paul. Wait, let me try again the Paul. Baka gumana na siya for today. Restart. Ah! The Paul worked! Do you see the Paul or no? I'm not sure. Never mind. I don't see the Paul. Okay, the poll's working, but I don't see the answers, so just answer in the chat also. The poll says 000 for me. Okay, we're gonna continue. So, kung 64 daw ang, anong 64? Wait, let me check. 64 is the area of the circle. Area of a circle, what is the formula? Pi r squared. So, hanapin lang natin si r. So, 64 is equal to pi r squared. R squared is equal to 64. Kasi R squared lang hinahanap natin. 64 pi pala to. 64 pi. So, square root both sides. And what will R be, guys? What is R? Yes, Minari, it's 8. Right? 8? Hala, na-end out yung poll. 8 is the poll. 8. Yes. Coco, Lex, good job, and Joe. So, alam natin na yung diameter, ay joke, radius pala yan. So, radius niya ay 8. Kung radius ay 8, ano ang diameter, guys? The diameter, or this whole thing over here, is equal to, yes, it's not R, it's supposed to be the diameter. Wait. We're not done. Yes. Equal to 16. So, double siya, guys. 2R is equal to D. Diameter is twice the radius. Tapos, what do we do with that information? Ang hinahanap natin is the diagonal, this color pink line over here. And you remember, what do we call this triangle, guys? If ito 16, para mahanap ito, what will it be? It is it is a right triangle. But what type? Yes, John SSTMS. It is the 45, 45, 90. 45 degrees, ito 45 degrees, ito 90 degrees. Bakit natin alam? Kasi square siya, guys. Dahil square siya, yung 90 degrees dito, nahati siya into 45. Kaya it's a 45, 45, 90 triangle. And what is a 45, 45, 90 triangle? Yung ratio niya is in the ratio of 1 is to 1 is to square root of 2. So, very basic. This will be 16 is to 16. So, ito yung dalawang sides is to, i-multiply mo lang siya by square root of 2. That will give us 16 square root of 2. So, the answer is letter A. The answer is letter A, guys. Letter A. Did you guys get letter A? Kasi B yung nakalagay dito sa poll for some reason. But I trust that you guys got letter A. Yes? Okay, good job. Why wala pi? Hindi kailangan ng pi. Yung pi is over here lang sa circle. Dito lang ginamit yung pi. Okay, yes. Good job. We love geometry over here. Thank you for following, guys. If you're new here, make sure to follow. Oh, there's another one, guys. There's another question. The next question. Saan galing square root of 2? Batas yan, guys. 1 square root of 2 is a ratio. If you want to learn about the 45-45-90 triangle, you can look up the videos on them, yung mga YouTube videos. Ito, wala bang sagot dito? Let's see this one. Yes, it's a 45-45-90 triangle. I'm restarting the poll. I don't know if it works right now, but yes. Hindi ata gumagana, guys. So, we're gonna do this one. Let's answer this one. If the length of the BD, asan si BD? BD daw, let's write it down. Number 12. Bakit 16? Kasi, radius is 8, kaya dinoble natin. Radius is 8, so we double the radius, kaya siya naging 16. If the length of BD in square ABC is x, okay, let's draw it again. Let me copy this. Copy. Paste. Okay. So, BD daw, itong pink, or yes, is x feet. What is the size of the shaded area? Ooh, this is hard. Is it hard? No, it's not hard. Ang hirap naman nito. I mean, hindi siya mahirap. Matagal lang siya hanapin. 16 talaga itong sides, guys. 16. Dito siya nakuha. Yan talaga yun. 1 is to 1 is the square root of 2. Yung formula kasi niyan is ganito. 1 is to 1 is the square root of 2. Okay? Yan ang 45-45-90. So, as you can see, magkatapat si 16 dito sa 1. 116. Tapos, ito na yung katapat ng 2. Kaya siya minumultiply lang sa square root of 2. Let's see what we do here. So, we are given x daw, itong si x daw siya. So, given na x yan, kailangan muna natin mahanap what is this side over here. So, gagamitin ulit natin yung 1 square root of 2. Remember, 1 is to 1 is to square root of 2. So, ano yung nawawalang value over here? Let's name it y. So, what will y be over here? Since nandito na si x sa square root of 2 value, kailangan i-divide siya sa square root. Medyo mahirap yung question na to. I think hindi naman magiging ganito kahirap yung question, hopefully. So, we have to divide it by square root of 2. So, kanina, pagpapunta dito sa hypotenuse, magmumultiply by square root of 2. Pero dito, ay, hindi kita yung question. What do you mean? Oh, putol ba? There. There, guys. Walang poll, guys. Ayaw gumana. Ayan, gumana na yung poll, guys. Si TikTok, nagtatampo. Yes, okay. So, what do? We divided by square root of 2. So, magiging x over square root of 2 siya. Which is the same thing. Let me just look at the choices. Kung may lalabas na katulad nito. 2x over 4. Ba't walang square root na lumalabas? Ano ba yung hinahanap? Shaded area. Okay. So, okay. So, this is equal to, i-rationalize natin siya. That will be, i-multiply by square root of 2 over square root of 2. And then, this will give us x square root of 2 over 2. So, ito yung isang side. We're gonna slow down. So, this is one side of, ito yan, see one side. X squared of 2 over 2. Now, with this information, what do? We have to multiply both sides, guys. Multiply, okay. So, to get the shaded area, ang gagawin natin, look for the area of the square minus the area of the circle. Area of the square minus area of the circle. So, side squared nito, ang side squared ay area of the square is equal to side squared. This question's kind of ugly. Okay. Acts. And then, wait lang, let's see. So, this will be equal to x squared over 2. X squared over 2. Bakit? Actually, hindi natin siya need irrationalize kasi isa-square naman natin. So, ito yung isang side niya, or ito. And then, need lang siya i-square. So, that's x over square root of 2 squared. Pag square natin siya, magiging x squared over 2. Wala ba dyan ang sagot? So far, wala pa. And then, hanapin naman natin ang ang hirap ang ano naman, since diameter din yan, itong side, diameter din siya. Yung x over square root of 2. So, we need to divide that. Area of the circle is equal to pi r squared, right? Ay, tama ba? Pi r squared. So, ang diameter ay x over square root of 2. So, ang radius, need siya i-divide by 2. Kaya equal siya sa 2 square root of 2. Kaya natin yan, guys. Pag nandyan ang sagot, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Char. Not the question shaming, Nico. Okay, so that's equal to pi. Hala. Okay. Pi, kala ko na-restrict na naman. Okay, pi times x over 2 square root of 2 squared. Whew. Okay, so how do we square the 2 square root of 2? Okay, do we just skip this question? Kailangan may pi siya. Okay, wait. So this will give us pi times x squared over 4, 8. Over 8. What do we do next? Need natin siya i-minus sa isa't isa. Feel ko pang M-top na yan, guys. Hindi yan lalabas sa UPCAT, promise. Pero gusto ko lang i-solve. I-solve na natin kasi nandito na tayo. So, that will give us this minus this lang. That's just x squared over 2 minus pi, x squared pi over 8. Tapos, need hanapin yung similar fraction. Bakit parang yung pangalawa? Let's put it over 16. I think the answer is B. Di ba B, guys? Equal na to sa B. Tignan niyo yung B. If nag-multiply ako ng 2 sa lahat, equal siya sa B. That's 2x squared over 4. Same lang siya. Minus 2x squared. Ay, hindi. Hindi pala. Over 16 dapat. Kung over 16 yon, tama yung B. Dapat hindi siya minus. So, yes, I think the answer is letter D. None na lang. Pero, pagdating sa UPCAT, guys, I think hindi sila magbibigay ng none of the above. Kasi nag-effort ka, tapos none of the above lang yung isasagot. But anyway, we learn how to move on from the things that are holding us back. Char. Okay, moving on. I'm restarting the poll. Na-restart na ba, guys? Ayan, restarting the poll for the next question. Ba't kasi natin pinipilit? Hindi naman tayo gusto, diba? Next na lang. Kasi ang tagal tuloy natin din. Basta sa UPCAT, guys, pag nahihirapan na kayo, skip nyo na to the next number, okay? Skip to the next number if you don't understand it, cause kayo, nagsasayang lang kayo ng oras. Hala, ba't kasi ganito, guys? Ang pangit ng, mahirap if hindi natin nakikita kung ano yung exponent. Like, if raised lang siya sa ganito. But okay, we will persevere. If 3 times 10, skip na lang lahat. Skip na lang daw lahat. Raised to A times 0.007 times 10 raised to B is equal to 2.1 times 10 raised to 9. What is the value of A plus B? Okay, so we're looking for A plus B. So, what I'm trying to see is 21. Medyo 21 ang hinahanap, diba? Ito kasi yung target natin. This is, what do you call this? This is scientific notation. So, ang goal ko dito is to make this equal to 3.0. Tapos, to make this one equal to 0.7 para maging equal to 2.1 ito. So, alam ko agad na 9 din yung A. A is equal to 9 kasi 3.0 na yung format niya. 3.0 na yung format niya, kaya A is equal to 9 na natin. Kasi same lang dapat siya dito. Okay? Tapos, eto naman, hindi pa siya in the form of 0.7. So, ilan ang gagalawin para maging 0.7 siya? We have to move it 1, 2. Ay, tama ba? 2 ba? 1, 2. So, we want to move it 2 to the right. So, B is equal to 2. So, A plus B is equal to 11. Amazing! You guys got that so easily. More on trial and error yung question na to. Like, you can't really solve it. I mean, you can, but more on trial and error siya. Yes. Okay, paulit daw, paulit. Just what we did is, since 2.1 yung goal natin, si 2.1 yung target, kailangan, kita na kasi natin na 3 ito 0.7. Or dapat, maging 0.7 siya. Kasi, ang 3 minus 0.7 will be equal to 2.1. So, magiging equal siya to 2.1. Hindi po ba negative 2 since it moves to the left? Moves to the right siya. Moves to the right. Pag left yung negative, Twix. Pag pa-move to the left, doon siya magiging negative. Gets ba? Paano nasabi na scientific notation? Kasi may times 10 raised to, ano siya. That's what scientific notation is. Times 10 raised to a digit. How did you get 3? It's given here, pero naisip ko lang kasi na 21 to. So, dapat 30 minus 7. Ay, hindi pala. Ay, tama ba? 23 pala yun. Wait lang, guys. Hindi pala siya 30. 23 pala yun. Again, we're gonna start again. Oo nga. The brain is not braining. Dapat, mag-isip tayo ng number na 300, for example. Tapos, ito, has to be equal to something. Pero feel ko imposible siya if hindi siya gagana, guys. Walang way na hindi ka pwede mag-multiply. Kasi yung exponent lang yung hinahanapan ng value. Feel ko walang way. Walang way to solve that. 2.3 lang talaga. Ah, multiply pala. Hindi minus. Baliw. So, what we have to do... Sorry. The brain is not braining. What happens when we multiply these two? Magiging 0.007 times, okay, tanggalin natin to, times 3. So, this will give us 21, tapos tatlo yung decimal place niya. So, dahil tatlo yung decimal place niya, we move it 1, 2, 3. 0.021 siya. So, dapat, i-fix na natin na 9 ito. Fix natin na 9 yung una, kasi equal to 9 din to. So, let's just say that A is 9. A is equal to 9. Tapos si B, equal din siya sa 9. Ah? Tama ba? Ay, hindi pala kailangan. Kasi ba't may 9 dito, guys, eh? So, dapat equal to 9 din siya, diba? Or hindi. Or i-add up siya. Dapat ba ma-add up siya? A plus B should be equal to 9. A plus B should be... I-skip na lang. Yes, I would skip this. But wait, we can solve this. Sorry. The brain is just... Okay. So, alam kasi natin pala, when we're multiplying, di ba we're multiplying, dapat magiging A plus B siya. Tapos, dapat 9 yung kalabasan nito. But we want to move this digit. Kailangan ma-move yung digit na to more over here, diba? Ilang digits ang need niya i-move? 0.02 yan. So, need natin mag-move ng dalawa. We have to move 2 this way. So, ibig sabihin, sa 9 na goal natin, 9 kasi yung goal natin, need natin mag-add ng 2. So, need natin mag-add ng 2 kasi right now, nandito siya sa 0.021. And para maging equal to 2.1 siya, need natin mag-add ng 2 para maging 10 raised to 9 yung dulo. Okay? Yes, so the answer is 11. The answer is 11. Isn't the answer 9? 9 plus 2. Need mag-plus ng 2. Quota na dyan, yes. I think we can end there, guys. So, yes. Need mo mag-add ng 2 kasi i-move natin yung decimal place ng 2 beses. Kaya tayo mag-add ng 2. Yes. What part do we not get? How do I explain that better? Let me think of a way to explain that better. 9 plus 2. Let me just put it over here. Isa pa daw? Like, one more question? Or next na? Next na daw. Where'd we get the 2? Kasi minultiply natin yung given dito. Etong dalawa, minultiply natin, di ba? Tapos ang lumabas is 0.021. Pero ang goal kasi natin is 2.1 dito. So, 2.1, need move 2 decimal pa. 2 decimals. Places. Kaya tayo nag-add ng 2. Kasi ang goal niya ay 9. Tapos, need mag-move ng 2 decimal places para ma-achieve etong nandito. So, nanggaling si 9 dito, nanggaling si 9. Kasi need ma-achieve ang 9 over here. Based dito sa goal na 9. 10 raised to 9 siya. Okay, next number. 14. Number 14. Stopping the poll. Restarting the poll. Okay, the poll's working, guys. So, try out the poll. Make sure to follow if you guys are new here. Thank you for being here. Even though I'm kinda sabog today, guys. I haven't got... Okay, so just for reference, I always sleep in the afternoon. Like 5 to 6 p.m. Tapos, dahil natutulog ako ng afternoon, like 2 a.m. na ako nakakatulog. And then today and yesterday, hindi ako natulog sa afternoon kasi gusto ko na ayusin yung sleep schedule ko. So, don't be like me, everybody, and don't doom scroll. Don't doom scroll until 2 a.m. Anyway, Vince read a page 139 to 225 inclusive in his history book. So, ang meaning lang, ang shortcut dito guys, inclusive equals last page minus first page plus 1. Okay, plus 1. Exclusive equals last minus first minus 1. Okay? Yan ang meaning ng exclusive. Inclusive, ibig sabihin, kasama yung page 139 pati 225. So, that will be 225 minus 139 is equal to 1, 11, 15. 6, 8 plus 1 is equal to 87. The answer is 87. You guys can memorize this formula if you want. So, this is a formula already. Formula. Need nyo lang siya tandaan, guys. Plus 1 lang siya. Bakit need ng 1? If you want a simple example, imagine 10 pages. This is page 1 to page 10. Ilang pages yon? 10 pages siya. So, last page is page 10 minus page 1 is equal to 9. So, kulang pa siya ng isa. Kaya tayo nag-plus ng 1. And you can test that out with any number. Gagana siya. Okay? Yes. Plus 1, i-include nyo kasi yung unang number. Kasi diba nag-minus kayo. Pag minus mo siya, mawawala siya. So, need siya i-add back in. Last number daw para 15. I love that for you. Okay. Madali lang to, guys. Simple fractions. I know it already. The answer is 7 over 8, which is 28. Very basic. I didn't even need to write that down. Just kidding. Okay, let's write it down, guys. N over 32 is equal to 0.875. And if you're new here, guys, what do we call this? It's a simple fraction. Bakit alam ko agad? Kasi dapat memorize nyo na. Does anyone want to volunteer to make the Kahoot? We want to make a Kahoot version of this. Nasa na siya? Nasa ng ating simple fraction list. So, this is the list of simple fraction, guys. And ito si 0.85. Kita nyo ba? 0.875 is equal to 7 over 8. So, what we will do is, we will go back here. Let's convert it. N over 32 is equal to 7 over 8. How do you go from 8 to this way? You multiply by 4. Or basically, anong ginagawa dito? You divide by 4. So, dapat dito, mag-multiply ka ng 4. What you do unto others, you do unto this one also. So, that's 7 times 4 is equal to 28. 7 times 4 lang. I-multiply mo lang siya. Okay? Very basic, guys. Ang dali naman. Next. Char. Okay na ba tayo? Do we wanna end there, guys? Oh, pa-SS ng simple fraction. You can check it out also on my TikTok. I posted a TikTok yesterday about the simple fraction list. It's over there. And na daw, sabi ni Chin. Answer number 50. Number 50 daw. Payag ba kayo? Let's see if mahirap siya. Ito na lang, guys. Age problem. Do you want an age problem? Yes or no? Say yes or no. Our last question for the day. Thank you for being here, by the way. Make sure to follow if you're new here. Okay, we can do the age problem. Fine. Sana masagutan ko siya, guys. Let's hope and pray that we get it right. Number 15. Number 50. 4 years from now, Harper's age will be the same as Kyle's present age. Okay, so how do we write age problems? What you do is put the two people, Harper here, and Kyle. Tapos, ilagay mo yung time dito. This is now. And this is future. So, minsan past yung nilalagay. Ganun. Depende yan sa hinahanap. Tapos, 4 years from now, Harper's age will be the same age as Kyle's present age. Now, the sum of Harper's age and thrice Kyle's age. Okay, we have to give values to their ages. So, let's say, dalawang variable ba siya or isa lang? X si Harper, and then X plus 4 yung future age. Tapos, Y, two variables. Let me try. Y, tapos Y plus 4. I'm not sure if... X plus 4 din to. Harper's age... Ito si Harper, will be the same as Kyle's present age. So, same daw. So, X plus 4 din to. Gets ba natin? Same daw itong dalawa, kaya dapat X plus 4 din siya. Say gets if gets so far. So, dahil same daw, yung future ni Harper na 4 years future, is equal to Kyle's age now. Tama ba? Kyle's present age. Okay, gets. Bakit X plus 4? Kasi 4 years in the future. 4 years in the future, kaya siya X plus 4. Tapos, pag nag-add tayo, dito lagi ka magpa-plus 4, okay? Dito lagi ka magpa-plus 4. So, this will become X plus 8. Gets? X plus 8 to. Now, so yung now daw, the sum of Harper's age and thrice Kyle's age is 40. Hala, okay. Actually, hindi to kailangan. So, the Harper's age plus 3 times Kyle's age is equal to 40. Okay? Yes, I only do live on TikTok, but I upload all of them on YouTube. Do you guys want, but I want to try Facebook, because I feel like there are more people on Facebook, but I don't like freaking relatives watching my live. Okay. Do we get what we have to do here, guys? This is just x plus 3x plus 12 is equal to 40. 4x is equal to 40 minus 12. 4x is equal to 28 and x is equal to 7. Wait, huh? Ang tanong. So, si Kyle ngayon ay x plus 4. X plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. So, Kyle's age 5 years ago, Kyle now equals 11. 5 years ago is equal to 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Landscape. Gusto mo landscape? I wanna try YouTube soon. Meron ding dual layout sa TikTok, kaso hindi daw siya kaya ng laptop ko. Sabi ng TikTok. Okay, are we good, guys? May bukas pa, guys. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Bumalik kayo bukas. Make sure to follow. 10:05 na. Nag-relapse na yung iba dyan. Char. Nico, nawala na si Nico. Nico, are you in your relapse era? Char. Okay, so what did we do? Medyo mahirap to, guys, actually. But all we did was, 4 years in the future, which is x plus 4, dapat equal daw yan sa now ni Kyle. So, ayun lang siya. X plus 4, tapos, ang kinuha lang natin is the sum of Harper's age. Ito si Harper now. Tapos, thrice the sum, and thrice Kyle's age. 3 times netong x plus 4. So, yun lang. Tapos, equate mo lang siya. Equate to 40, as mentioned in the problem. And then, just solve for x. Solve for x over here. Kanino yung Google form? Kolehiyo updates. Oh, Nico, you're still here. Andito pa daw si Nico. Okay, guys. Tomorrow, we can continue this tomorrow. Okay, number 16 tayo. How did I get 3? Sabi dito, thrice the amount. Ito, thrice. Thrice Kyle's age. Thrice Kyle's age. You can read it over here in the problem. If you have questions about this number, I can answer it, but we are ending on this number, guys. So, thank you for being here. Hello to the 1.9k people. If you wanna come back tomorrow, we go live every day. Actually, I think hanggang Wednesday lang ang live kasi I have something on Thursday. Ay, hindi. Actually, kaya naman. Basta, check my Instagram channel. Make sure to follow to join the Instagram channel. Tapos, doon ako nag-update when I go live. Bakit 2x? Nasaan si 2x? Ay, sorry. 28 yan. 28 yan. This is 28. You can, if bago lang din kayo, guys, you can just rewatch the recordings. I have all the recordings on YouTube, so make sure to binge watch those. So yes, ang daming tao. Hello to the 1.9k people. Yes, follow nyo daw din si Nico. Nico is here to help you guys in the UPCAT. Babas-basan nyo din kayo. Yes, I'm gonna go live the day before the UPCAT too, but we're not gonna review on that day anymore. We might just tasa. Yes. Why is your live notif? Wait, always late? Oh, sorry. Just every day 8 p.m. guys. Dapat nasa TikTok na kayo. Abangan nyo na yung live, okay? So just check TikTok all the time at 8 p.m. Thank you, Rams, for following. Thank you, Dolai and KN for following. Yes, make sure to follow and come back tomorrow, guys. I'll be going live tomorrow. Nico. Yes, follow nyo daw si Nico, guys. Mag-live ka Saturday. Okay, I'm going live Friday night, pati Saturday night. To online tasa the pencils, okay? So, make sure you have your pencils, number 2 pencils. Meron ba ako nun? Tapos, ayun, magtatasa tayo tomorrow, okay? Bye, guys! Miss ko na siya, sabi niya. Hala, relapse season na. Kasi 10 p.m. na, guys. But yes, thank you for being here, everybody. We are gonna continue late. Tomorrow. Continue tomorrow. So, that's it. Ang hirap naman ng setup. Mas madali yung nandito na sa laptop sana. If you can send me, mostly math ang tinuturo, but if you guys want language, kasi onting na lang eh. We have like 1 week left, guys. So, do you still want to teach like language proficiency? I think mas okay mag-math pa rin tayo. What do you think? What do you think, guys? I think we can just do math. Science, guys. Science has to be self-studied, guys. Yung science, dapat inaaral yan. Hindi siya sinasagutan per question, okay? Yun ang ko sa inyo. Like, just advice is science should be studied on your own. Yung math kasi, kaya siya ma-solve by practicing. Pero yung science, kailangan inaaral siya na parang lesson, like in high school. Yung language proficiency naman, more on intuition kasi yun. Or more on, dapat it sounds correct. Parang ganun. That's how I see it. So, yung math lang talaga mostly yung kayang i-practice on live. Yes, madami talagang aaralin sa science, kaya medyo mahirap yun i-cram. Pero need nyo mapasa yung science, guys. Pasend sa IG group yung G-form. Sige, I'll send it sa IG group. Make sure to join the Instagram channel, guys. Nico, we can end at 10:10. Am I right? Yes. Tomorrow, we go live every day. Pwede ba mag-chat sa channel? Check mo nga, Nico. If you can chat, you can chat. Go ahead. Go ahead and chat, Nico. I think moderator ko naman dun. Just, you can chat anytime. Yes. Try mo nga, Nico. Mag-hi ka dun sa group. Tapos, okay, upload ko dun, guys, yung link ng G-form, okay? Bye-bye, Rai. Say goodbye if you're leaving. Bye, Rezel. Bye, Zeku. See you tomorrow, guys. 8 p.m. tomorrow. Make sure to come back. Make sure to follow so you can come back. Also, please subscribe on YouTube, guys. Subscribe on YouTube. Thank you. That's all. 10 na. Hala, 10 na. Bye, guys. I'll send the ano sa G-form. Okay, bye, Anger. Bye, Mix. Bye, Migo. Bye, Chin. Bye, Sabi. Bye, Steph. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye. 8 p.m. Bye-bye. I'll upload it there. Thank you, Nico. Bye-bye. Oh, okay. Give some tips then, Nico. Pair chat me if hindi ka makachat. Okay, bye.